Hi guys, my name is Nadim and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I would like to share about a girl group that recently made their comeback, which is yes, it's Swan. But some of you might not familiar with the group, so let me introduce them to you. Well, the group formed from a survival show called Produce 48, which consists of idol trainees from Korea and the idols from AKB48 from Japan. There's 12 members that made up Swan, and 3 of them are Japanese and a member of AKB48. Yeah, today it is about the album, but we will not be focusing on the unboxing, but it's more like a review. Macam tu lah. Before that, apart from the usual album, there's this type of album called Kihno album. So, what's that Kihno album? I'm pretty sure if you're a K-pop fan, you must be familiar with it or macam pernah dengar. Betul tak? Alright, we will go through Swan's newest album titled ONEIRIC Diary, the Kihno version. Ta-da! Pretty, isn't it? Look. I really love the designs and the color balance between silver and blue. It really gives a classy vibe. Classy, isn't it? Okay, so this is the Kihno album. And usually Kihno album is smaller comparing to the usual albums, and their inclusions aren't that much, but it is really worth it and exclusive. Because for me, like their photo cards or postcard, gambar-gambar diorang tu semua cantik-cantik. Okay, Kihno ni dia ada satu kit which dia akan connect dengan apps Kihno tu sendiri dekat dalam phone. So basically you have to download the apps to use this kit. I mean, bila dah connect tu nanti baru keluar tracklist dalam tu, and then ada gambar, like video and other things as well. If I'm not mistaken, macam record sendiri macam karaoke macam tu, kalau tak salah lah. Now let's open it together. Actually ni pun tak buka lagi sebenarnya, just buka plastik je tadi. So jom. Tapi selalunya Kihno ni kita dah tahu apa yang kita akan dapat. Dia macam tak ada random, tak ada benda yang random sangat. Sama lah. Look. Oh, but this one is the card. Looks like an invitation card. Lebih cantik. Suka. This one is the group postcard. Wait. Nampak tak? Boleh lah. It's okay. Cantik. Oh, the instructions. Kit album. Hello, this is Kit album. Oh, English and Korean. So ada dua language. So senang lah nak guna apps tu nanti kan. This is the kit that I told just now. Small little kit. Cute kan? So this one is called Air Kit, and if I'm not mistaken, there's two type of Kihno kit, which one of them are using wire to connect with the phone, macam ada jack macam tu, sambung with the phone, and another one like using a sensor sebab dia macam sentuh je dengan phone tu, like this one. So it is called Air Kit. We will try to see how it works later. Okay. Bawah ni ada apa bawah ni? Cantik ah. belakang dia so colourful. It's like represents the members of Swan. And gambar dia semua cantik. Cantik lah. Okay, that's all for Swan Kihno album. Now, why don't we try to use the kit? Nak tengok. So how was it? Cool kan? Alright, that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Also, don't forget to check out my previous videos and stay tuned for more. So have a great day and bye.